Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. We have a great opportunity in Genpact in AP and a record to report profile. So in record to report, Genpact is hiring for management trainee and assistant manager roles. And in AP or P2P, Genpact is hiring for process developer or management trainee roles. So let's check out all the details one by one. First, we will start with what are the qualification requirements. So if you have completed your graduation in BCom stream, you guys are eligible for this role. Moving ahead, let's talk about the job description of record to report profile. So in this role, you will be responsible for preparing and posting journals in month end after analysis of prepaid and accrual accounting. Also, you will be responsible for preparing monthly closing calendar and discuss the status of activities with client every day during the close period. In addition to this, you need to also supervise the intercompany reconciliation and follow up with the relevant teams to clear out all the variances you guys will get. And lastly, you will also be responsible for preparing bank reconciliations. So for preparation for this role, you can check out my record to report playlist, or you can visit my website corporatewala.in, and from there you can register for 3 days interview preparation batch, and that should help you for preparing for your interview. Moving ahead, let's talk about the skills you need if you want to apply for this role. So you need record to report knowledge, intercompany accounting knowledge, analytical skills, MS Office, and also you should have good command over English, both in written and verbal. Moving ahead, let's talk about the AP or P2P job description. So you should have good knowledge of three-way matching, PO, non-PO, GRN. What are these things? You should be aware of these things. Apart from that, you should have good knowledge of TDS or text directed at source, and you should be aware of percentage of major categories. Apart from that, you should have good knowledge of GST, like what is intrastate, interstate, state and central components along with rates. You need to have basic knowledge of GST as well. And in this role, you will review and validate basic essentials of an invoice, such as supplier details, PO number, bank account number, invoice date, etc. And lastly, you should have knowledge of India import invoice processing, like you need to check bill of entry, packing list. If you want to prepare for this job interview, you can check out my website and get 3 days P2P or accounts payable batch. Or if you want, you can check out my P2P playlist on my channel, and that should help you in preparing for your interview as well. Moving ahead, let's talk about the skills you need. So you need P2P or AP skills. You should have good knowledge of English, both written and verbal. You should have good analytical skills, MS Office, and query resolution. Now let's talk about the shift timing. So they are hiring for US and UK both the shifts. So which shift you will get depends on them. So if you are not comfortable with US or UK shift, please do not apply for these roles. Now let's talk about the interview time and date. So they are conducting the interview on 5th of June between 11:30 a.m. till 2 p.m. And talking about the location, so they are hiring for NCR or Noida location. If you're looking for job in some other city, do comment and I will try to find job opportunity for your city as well. So where you have to go for the interview. So this is the address where you need to visit on 5th of June between 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. and you can give interview and hopefully you will get hired as well. Subscribe and stay connected. I will see you soon with another opportunity.